Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. If the Qwenlm app is available in your region, you can even access its app. For now, I'll just navigate to the Qwenlm website. Once you're in its website, make sure that you have already created your account before and log into your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface and you'll see your profile at the top right corner. So in order to log out, you can simply tap on your profile icon and you'll see the option to log out. You can simply tap on it. So that's it. That's how you can easily log out from your account on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.